Today we're diving into the biggest debate in the smartphone world. Slab phones versus foldable phones. In 2024, both options have come a long way. But which one reigns supreme? Let's break it down with some epic B-roll and compare the pros and cons to our slab phones versus our foldable phones. Okay, starting with the slab phones, which we know as being the tried and true champions. One of the pros is familiarity. Slabs are what we know and love. The user experience is intuitive and one-handed operation is a breeze. Next up, we have pocketability. The slab phones slip easily into pockets without creating awkward bulges, unlike a foldable phone. Next, let's talk about durability. Their simpler design often translates to better durability against drops and scratches. Another pro with the slab phones is there is a wider selection. You'll find a wider range of brands, models, and price points with slab phones versus foldables currently. Okay, now that we've talked about some of the pros, let's talk about some of the cons. One of the cons is the screen size limit. Even the biggest slabs can't compete with the unfolded screen real estate of these new foldables. Another con with the slab phone is the multitasking limitations. Specifically, split screen multitasking feels a bit cramped on a smaller screen compared to a foldable device. The last con that we'll talk about is the innovation plateau. Slab designs might feel less groundbreaking compared to the futuristic appeal of foldable phones. Alright, so we've talked about the slab phones. Let's go ahead and talk about foldable phones and what some of the pros are. One of the pros is the unfoldable displays. You can immerse yourself in movies, games, and ebooks with tablet-sized screens that fit in your pocket. Enhanced multitasking is another. You can run multiple apps simultaneously on a spacious, unfolded canvas, boosting productivity. Another pro is cutting-edge tech. Foldables represent the bleeding edge of mobile technology, offering a glimpse into the future. Now let's go ahead and talk about some of the cons. Durability is a concern because the folding mechanism introduces potential weak points and repairs can be very costly. Another con is they have a much bulkier build. They're thicker and heavier than most slab phones, making them less pocket-friendly. Next up is the higher price tag. Foldables are still a premium technology, often costing significantly more than a comparable slab phone. The last con would be the software optimization. App and software optimization for foldable displays is still evolving. Okay, so what's the verdict? Well, it's all about you. Ultimately, the choice between a slab and a foldable phone comes down to your individual needs and preferences. Consider your priorities. Prioritize portability and affordability. A slab might be your best bet. Crave a bigger screen and cutting-edge tech? Foldables offer an exciting experience. Need the best of both worlds? Consider a foldable with a pocketable outer display. So which phone will you choose? Will it be your traditional slab phone, or will it be the more innovative foldable phones? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Click the bell notification so you're updated when new videos are uploaded. Appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.